Say your Altria rep calls you and tells you that they're not getting any of your files. If you log into your account on Clover and just navigate to your tobacco scan data in this reporting dashboard, you get the confirmation why, because the files that are being sent have errors. If you click on the detail here, you'll see it tells you unit of measure is invalid, manufacturer name is missing, unit of measure is missing, unit of measure is invalid. So these right here, like manufacturer name is missing, not so much the invalid, but the ones that are missing, right? These are blank core fields. If you send the report without manufacturer name, that file gets rejected by Altria. They don't accept it. And then later they're going to tell you that they've never received the file from you. And there's two ways of fixing it. You can just basically look at these weekly, errors and just fix all the ones that are missing. But there is a much easier way to do this. And I'm going to show you how. I'm going to navigate to my settings here. And I'm going to go to my completed steps. And it could be here or it could be here. But I'm looking for that complete product information setup. And I'm going to hit edit. So this shows us the overall status. This is all the items that you are reporting on, right? And this is all the items that have errors in them. And these are the errors, right? So they will basically be the same thing that each individual ones will have. And there's this We May Help option. So before you go into manually trying to fix these, I'm going to click on this file, on this here. And the first thing it asks me is to select items into this column. Go ahead and select both. Yes, we can go ahead and select. So this will actually see if there's other items that can be reported to Altria, which there's no harm in including them. So why not? And then this one, the second one, is the one that cleans it up. Here we can populate missing information for some of all of the items. So we'll go ahead and give that a try. And we'll go through your inventory. And if we bring it down to 0, then that's it. All your items are fixed. We just using this automated helper here, we selected more items and we cleaned out all the errors. Because we did this here in the item information setup, we can now easily navigate to reporting dashboard and just go ahead and resend all of these. So we fixed all the critical ones, so we can go ahead and resend this file. We can go ahead and resend this file. And this file. And the reason why I'm looking at the missing and not the invalids, because they don't reject these, but they will reject that. So that one error will reject the file. These are like invalid. Well, actually, this one will reject too. The invalid is just. So let's see. So these are all okay. Like this file is not going to get rejected because unit of measure invalid is just not a critical error. That one's going to come down to 0. It's the ones that are missing that you want to pay attention to, because these files get rejected. Like this whole of these lines got rejected because of these two errors. They don't allow blank core fields, and a manufacturer name and a unit of measure is a core field. They'll allow wrong data in it, like you can put something that's not valid into that field and that'll be okay, but the blank field is not okay. So that's really the issue. Let's see, we're almost done. And that's possibly when you've added this item, because the rest appears clean. Yeah, so these things are sent. All right, so this is all just non-critical. So this file will get accepted. This file will get accepted. This file is already blanks, no zeros. All right, so I've resent most of these. processing pending, and just pay attention to the new files that show up. If you have any errors, just make sure they're, taken care of. And you can click on this here to also fix these errors as well. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.